ready to debate tonight? Of course we are. Big panel, big issue tonight. Are we ready to take sides on the subject and debate freely? I think we are. Tonight it's 4 versus 4. It's a big debate on this on the News Hour this evening. I'd like to welcome Priyanka Chaturvedi of the Congress versus Sambit Patra of the BJP, Hansal Mehta, Vinay Shukla, Vikas Ur's students, Sachit Paulos, General Secretary of the Students' Body at FTI. They're both together. So we have a director, filmmaker and 2 students on the one side for the students. And questioning the students tonight is Ashok Pandit, Ratan Shada, Ashok Pandit changing sides, and Vivek Agnihotri in the studio. He says, I was not for Gajendra Chauhan, but I'm not for what the students have done. Now, where was the riot, Sambit Patra? We saw the pictures there. By the way, first question goes to Mr. Patra, and then we are opening this up. Serious charges against the students, including one of rioting. I haven't seen the riot. Let's show the pictures now and the videos on the screen. Where was the riot that provoked the arrest of the students?
No, Arnav, as far as there was a riot or not, as far as the stream of videos that you have shown, I believe it is best to be answered by the director, Mr. Prashant himself. We do not hold forth for Mr. Prashant or the director of the FTII. Law will take its course. This is a very important line in the debate today, which I would like to make an opening statement with. Those who play with law should not feel that they would be immune from law. If you have broken the law in any way, then let the law, you should face the law. And if you feel that you have not erred, you have not broken the law, then law will take its course. You will be free. Why are you worried? This is what over here.
Is Gherawing the right to protest extremely unusual? Should I open up the debate? As far as I know, Gherawing is a form of protest that has been used regularly by a number of political parties, including the BJP. Most recently, one day before Independence Day, Sambit Patra, in your state of Orissa, the Orissa BJP unit gherawed the office of the Director General of Police at the police headquarters in Bhubaneswar, demanding the arrest and prosecution of a suspended IPS officer. There was a 24-member delegation headed by the BJP state unit which gherawed the Director General of Police at the police headquarters. So, you know, this argument doesn't quite work here. Are we opening up the debate on the other side? I'd like to get the students in, Sambit.
No.
I'd like to get the students in versus you, and then we'll open it up.
Let's
get the students in. Vikas, were you rioting? Vikas and Sachit Paulos, were you rioting?
Let me start off from there.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, let me start off from there. It's probably the most unfortunate day in FTII today, and probably the worst day of our lives the last night. Both me and Sachit have just got released by the judge at around 3:45, 4 o'clock from the court. We were given bail, and the court, in very clear terms, discussed the issue and said very clearly that the police has behaved very irresponsibly with the students, and it was not the police's job to go there and intervene in a meeting that included the director, faculty and students and staff. The institute is a space for education. At 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we were asked to have a meeting with the director. The director invited us for a meeting. In the meeting, the faculty was present, the students were present, the staff was present. In the presence of all these people, the students and faculty raised important academic questions to the director, asking him why is he doing this assessment in the middle of this strike. The director repeatedly had no answer to any question that we were asking him. He was always saying that I have been clearly ordered by the ministry to go ahead with this assessment. For 7 hours this drama went on from the director's end. He refused to respond to us time and again, giving us rational explanations as to why this academic decision is being taken
Counters
in the absence of the academic council.
Ratan Shardhav
consulted the academic council and he has taken the
counters coming in. One second. First of all, to everyone tonight, one at a time. Mr. Pandit, 1 minute, Mr. Pandit. Mr. Pandit, 1 minute. Let the students speak. I'll come to you. I'll have to control this with the audio, please.
They hold us by the collar, they kick us, they break break the infrastructure of the director's office, they break glasses, they do all kind of anarchy in the presence of the director. They pull students out, beat them up. This has happened in front of everyone. The media was there.
Let us cut the victimhood out, please.
Cameras were clicking and shooting. The director was standing there,
throw victimhood inside, please.
and not even ordering the police to be peaceful. Sir,
you are not a child. Please listen to me.
Up like this,
excuse me.
Who is writing? Who is writing? The police has the right to riot.
May I ask you whether you are not given notices in way back in April 2013 by Saeed Mirza?
And the court very clearly said that the police should not be doing this, and they granted us bail.
My dear friend, is it not true that Saeed Mirza way back in April 2013 warned you of completing your assignments so other people can come in? Is it not true that you have given 9 notices during last 1 year? You don't want to study. You just want to squat there. And you are not blaming the police.
No, what's the basic problem? Oh, what's it? Okay,
Problem is that students.
Mr. Sharda, one at a time.
Don't try to be a victim. I went to jail. I didn't shout victimhood.
Mr. Sharda, Mr. Sharda, first of all, on this panel, I have a request. Ladies and gentlemen, Sachit and Vikas.
People who fight don't cry.
Sachit and Vikas.
Ordering us to come to the police station. We had a peaceful meeting with the director immediately after the incident.
I'll have to take 2 people together. Can I get that please on the screen?
Why did the police not take us in right then?
Sachit and Vikas, I'm hearing you. We're all hearing each other. There's no need to speak over each other. We have the, no, 1 second. First of all, let us at least on the News Hour tonight show the temperament and the patience to hear each other. I began by saying that it is most unfortunate that this is happening in a top campus on the country, but let's not speak over each other. Please, my question here, and since Sambit has his hand up, I'll go to that question, please. Even if I were to accept the argument, Mr. Patra and Mr. Ratan Sharda, that we are doing this for the students. We don't want students who don't complete their projects, given their assignments, stay on the campus for an indefinite period, do your studies, you've come to study, etc., 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 don't do politics. If I were to accept that argument, please tell the entire country, Mr. Patra, why that sudden concern that students should complete their projects on time has emerged in the last 15 days.
It has happened
for the last
2013.
I'll let you know the government stand. If you allow me a few minutes, the government stand would be absolutely clear. Number one, here is a document that I'm
Sachin, listen. You'll have to listen to each other.
Can I complete?
Sachit, listen to him. I'll come to you after that. One at a time. Sachit and Vikas, I'll come to you. Yeah. You make your point briefly.
Arnab, here is a document that I'm holding up. As far as the assessment of projects of 2008 is concerned, as was pointed out previously also, this is the 67th meeting, which was held way back on 26th April 2013, the meeting of the Academic Council. And these were the words of the Academic Council meeting. 2008 batch diploma assessment is to be done in February 2014 on as is, where is basis. If you have not completed your assessment by your project by 2014 February, then it would be counted on as is, where is basis. Now let me tell you, Arnab, they are the most subsidized. I respect FTII, but they are the most subsidized students of the whole country. 12 lakh rupees per student per annum. 89% of their fees is being paid by the government of India. Is it not that most of these students, those 2008 batch students, who should have passed only in 3 years,
Sambit, okay, I heard you counters.
Can we go ahead? Mr. Patra has got all his facts wrong.
Let the students respond first. I'll come to you. Let them. No, let them. No, please. Let the students. I will, sir, 1 minute. Let the students respond, please. Let the students respond, sir. Sir, let the students. They are current. I'll come to you.
And my 3rd year on campus. How is it my fault? Arnab, one needs to understand that the 2008 batch is being victimized. All batches from the year 2000 have been on delay mode. A letter was sent by the Dean Kedarnath Avni to the ministry. It was an 11-page letter very clearly saying that for the last 15 years there has been delay on campus because of the ministry and the administration. The ministry and the administration has not paid attention to the needs of this institute. It has not provided enough infrastructure. This letter has gone to the ministry. The ministry has not even cared to to respond to the letter from the faculty. The faculty has the right to question the ministry. It has questioned the ministry for the last 15 years. The ministry doesn't even bother to respond proactively to the questions and the concerns raised by the faculties of this institute. Sir, one needs to realize that the 2008 batch is just one batch that these people are picking on, and we clearly know why they are picking on this batch, because the 2008 batch...
Okay, keep your arguments brief.
They are using the 2008 batch as a reason to break the strike.
Now, gentlemen,
for 15 years, the ministry and the administration,
it's visible to me
infrastructure problems, administrative issues to resolve the problems.
Now, Sachit
and now,
and Vikas,
all of a sudden, one fine day, they realize that 2008 batch should graduate.
Sachit
Why
and
will they
Vikas,
graduate?
now, Mr. Pandit, let I let you in. No,
they have
Sachit
every
and
right
Vikas.
to finish their films, make their films, complete them, display these films in front of the external assessees and the internal assessees, get them assessed and leave the campus after the strike is over. You put us in a situation where you make these appointments and then you tell us you're not supposed to go on strike. Sir, aren't you dictators? Aren't you dictators in this democracy trying to push on our throats what you feel the country should be running towards?
Sambit and Vikas,
pay respect to
Sambit and Vikas, calm down, gentlemen. Both of you, please. Sambit and Vikas, 1 minute. Sambit and Vikas, Vikas Urs and Sambit Patra.
Creating a mess in this film institute.
Vikas Urs and Sambit Patra. Now, there are both sides of the story, Mr. Urs and Mr. Patra. Let's be clear. One thing is very clear to the government, that the government suddenly says, the administration says, I give you 6 days to complete the project that you have not completed in the last 7 years. Just 1 minute. You've given a reminder earlier, but now you've given them 6 days. 6 days, finish it or get out is essentially the argument. Point number 2, just 1 minute. Point number 2 to the students. No, Gajendra does not justify not completing your degree and staying indefinitely in campus. That is not a matter of your right. We are now opening up to debate. By the way, what happened to Gajendra? Hansal Mehta wanted to come in and so did you, sir. Go ahead. Hansal Mehta first. Who are you? Yeah, go ahead. Vinayji, please.
You know, the one misinformation that Mr. Sambit Patra spoke was that the Academic Council meeting not only took place in May 2013, but also, in 2013, but also in May 2015. And those, you know, the minutes of that meeting are not being spoken about at all. And there, the minutes very, very clearly suggest that the delay, as far as the in the projects of the students has been concerned, it has been because of the Film Institute authorities and not because of the students.
Sure. And Mr. Patra, one question which you raised on the issue of subsidy. 1 second. You raised the question of subsidy, highly subsidized education. Film and Television Institute of India is not the only subsidized degree that people go through. Please do not believe that suddenly overnight the government has realized we subsidize the degree and hence we need to act. You've been subsidizing this degree for the longest time. Hansal Mehta also contributed. Hansal Mehta.
Allow me to read this.
Hansal Mehta is asking you a question. Hansal Mehta is asking you a question, Sambit.
I mean, don't justify bullying by using numbers. Don't dazzle me with numbers, because the numbers are not big. 180 students, 12 lakhs per student. This is the least you can do for cinema, which is such an important art, and an art that is paying entertainment tax in addition to income tax and service tax to you. I mean, come on. And secondly, this thing is no longer about the 2008 batch. It is about the bully trying to dominate the students. I mean, they're students. They made mistakes.
Vivek Agnihotri is counting. Vivek Agnihotri.
I remember when you started with the hashtag FTI Mahabharat, the whole issue was whether Gajendra Chauhan is competent or not.
Yeah.
And what are we discussing today? What time of arrest? What kind of...
Is Gajendra Chauhan competent?
No, he's not.
So where has that issue been forgotten?
Because then it's become politics. Why have students given platform to Yogendra Yadav, Rahul Gandhi, Arvind Kejriwal? Why should Arvind Kejriwal today tweet and say, I'm giving you land in Delhi? What is their interest?
You see, what happens?
Do you agree with that? Do you agree with that?
No, Vivek, no.
I
agree.
Listen
the
to me.
politicization.
Let me finish. You haven't heard my point of view.
Let him finish.
You have not heard. You assumed what I'm saying. You assumed what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, The minute politicians get inside a campus, we have burnt buses when we were in university because Congress and ABVP, they have asked us to do it. But who benefits?
No, but tell me,
Can we give Sir, I'll give precedence to the students. I'll give precedence to
politicization
But the
began.
students are speaking. Can I have them on the screen, please?
Arvind Kejriwal wouldn't have entered this entire debate if the government of India would have chosen to listen to the students.
Ms. Chaturvedi, what business Rahul Gandhi has to enter FTI? Does he know how many departments are there in FTI?
I completely agree. That the government of India is
Too many people are speaking together.
The students are protesting.
Priyanka, please, can we please, two people at a time, their audio, everyone's audio can't be up together. Yeah, 1 second.
You're trying to silence them by arresting them in the
if my
middle of
information
the
is
night.
correct, government
Are they
almost
such bad
decided to
criminals?
change
Have they done such a big crime?
When
For them
the
to be
main
arrested
people
the way they have been
resigned.
arrested?
What's the issue?
Okay. Can I say something? She doesn't know about it.
No, are
perhaps.
politicians banned from campuses?
Sorry?
Are politicians banned from campuses?
Nobody is banned
Is
from
student
nowhere.
politics illegal?
Nothing is
Is
illegal.
student politics illegal?
No.
Is gherawing
No.
equal to rioting?
No.
Is gherawing equal to rioting? By that logic,
Sir, but all of us have been students. You have been a student. How students protest? We know it.
Please,
No,
let us make the basic point. The politicization began the day Gajendra Chauhan, which is a political appointment, was installed. No, that was, you see.
Talk of communists, talk of leftists. Don't try to.
No, they were not political appointments, sir. No, they were not political. Here, you
Just
see,
because
here
you don't
what
carry a
happened.
flag,
What
you're
is
not a
that? No,
political
because they were
politician.
all qualified people in what?
That doesn't matter.
Compare.
What happened?
Ratan Sharda ji, please be objective about it. Tell me in what way Gajendra
There has been no
Chauhan competes with the earlier chairperson.
for 8 years is still.
Tell me
What happened
one
to
good
Girish
reason.
Karnal?
Give me one good reason. How does Gajendra Chauhan qualify with the predecessors? Give me one. Even if they were political appointments. No, sir, I would like to say it very firmly.
I am saying what has happened before qualified.
Do not.
Sambit,
No, this is an issue.
Sambit is Sambit.
No, I want to come in over here.
Sambit with Vijay Shukla. Go ahead.
I ask a question. I ask a question of the Congress. How does Rahul Gandhi qualify to be the vice president? of
This
the
is not about Congress, sir. This is not about Congress. This is about the students and politicians jump into the pool.
Sun lijiye.
Every politician wants to take advantage of it. Every politician wants to.
Mr. Shukla.
What talent does Rahul Gandhi possess? Has he?
So is Rahul Gandhi being appointed the chairperson? Is Rahul Gandhi being appointed the chairperson? I want to ask that.
Okay,
Is Rahul Gandhi? No,
I got your point.
All these kind of.
Let's talk about the talent of Narendra Modi.
Can one
The
person
only
speak
talent
at
he
one
has
time?
is to come up with fake promises. That is what Narendra Modi
Don't have a parallel
I'm
conversation.
not here to justify to someone who has lost his mental balance just because he's a spokesperson of the BJP and he has no different.
No, 1 second. No personal comments, please. Priyanka Chaturvedi, no personal comments.
If you talk of talent,
No personal comments on the program, please. No personal comments on the program, and we go back to the
Bring in
subject.
the CAG report. I want to bring in the CAG report to get Rahul Gandhi. But the CAG report on the FTI.
Can I please, 1 second, please listen to the other. You can't have a debate in which we don't listen to the other panelists. Sambit is making a point, make the point, and to Priyanka Chaturvedi, let's not get into the personal comments zone, please.
Allow me to make a few points. Yes, first the CAG
No,
report.
sir, no, Arnab, this is
not
absolutely
Bharatiya Janata Party.
ridiculous.
Just
can I complete?
You're talking about somebody,
Just one- can you-
somebody personally. I have every reason
Can I please request you?
He behaves like this. He
Can I-
discuss issues.
Priyanka, you can attack me, but let me complete my point thereafter.
Who are these people?
The CAG report says that in spite of all verbal explanations, it is quite clear that Institute has failed to conduct the courses for both film and TV fields, whereas there is no reduction in expenditure of the Institute. And you'll be astonished to know, Arnab, that 2010 batch and 2014 batch of FTII have been dropped. And it is not just about one director or Gajendra Chauhan. Umpteen number of them, almost every one of them have been giraud. Shyam Benegal, Mahesh Bhatt, Gopal Adur Krishnan, were they not competent people? And you know what Mahesh Bhatt had to say? This is what Mahesh Bhatt had to say.
I can't hear him.
Resigned. How to administer the institute and what to teach are concerns of governing council, not of the students. This is what Mahesh Bhatt had to say. And Mahesh Bhatt has nothing to do with Bharatiya Janata Party. And Priyanka, let me tell you at the end, you talk about arresting people at midnight. Your government killed a woman at midnight at Ramdev Baba's Dharna, remember? Killed a woman at midnight, remember?
You know, interacting with the government. You have a minister.
Your government killed a woman at the stroke of midnight just because they were protesting against corruption of Congress. You killed a woman.
Can I? No, one sec. No.
Is this about Congress and BJP?
Mr. Patra, 1 minute. Mr. Agnihotri, please 1 minute. Understand the principal issue. Focus on the subject at hand and address the fact. Now, Mr. Patra says Rahul Gandhi went in, it became political. Equally, Mr. Patra, let's not deny that Gajendra Chauhan is a political appointee. There is no denying about it. Let's accept the fact. So this huge aversion to politics doesn't come around when you decide who the chairman of the FTI is. He is a political appointee. He is not a merit-based appointee.
Okay, I'm here. How the Congress had appointed chauffeurs, cooks, typists, and to what position? The country knows. What
okay,
had become to the
so you're basically saying
suffers of Indira Gandhi,
so
of Indira Gandhi.
Are you saying therefore that merit may not have had a role in previous dispensations and merit will not have a role in this dispensation either? Yes, please. No, yes.
You are right in questioning this. You are absolutely right in questioning this. I would say for the administrative post for which Mr. Chauhan has been selected, let him perform. If he does not perform or if he underperforms, then naturally he'll have his own course out. But he has not been given a chance.
Counter is coming. Counter is coming your way from Vinay Shukla. Vinay Shukla.
It is not an administrative post, sir. What we need, it's an academic post. What we need is a person with academic vision, which certainly Gajendra Chauhan has amply demonstrated in the debates that he has had on TV, that he does not qualify for that.
But my simple point is,
Ashok
had to resign. Do you mean to say Ashok does qualify for
syllabus? When there is a director appointed,
do you say Shyam Benegal does not?
Are they autonomous?
You never allowed anyone to work there.
Sorry? Shyam Benegal worked?
Shyam Benegal, Mahesh Bhatt, Gopal, everyone was driven away from there. Why? Why 36 strikes in 55 years?
Agashe said in 2002.
Are you making films or are you making strikes?
You're killing
क्या किया आपने?
आप मार रहे हो ना?
आपने क्या किया 12 साल? आपने मारा ना पहले. What did you do?
Sir, appointed people who are asked to run away. In the last 30 years, just a minute. In the last 3 years,
sir, let them be the students first.
Sir, Ratan Sharda ji.
हाँ जी.
In the last 3 years, the students have won 11 national and 6 international awards in the last 3 years.
Yes.
And these are the figures that have been given.
But so they're allowed to go on strike, they're allowed to stop the institution.
What I am saying is that
they will set the directors. Is it allowed? Let this issue go under Universities Act. I'll give a solution. Let it go to Universities Act.
No. Ratan Sharda,
let it become a university.
What I'm trying to say is that the students are still coming out with brilliance.
They are not finishing the projects. They are sitting there for 10 years, 11 years. All these uncles.
Only one. You see, there are only 6 students. Out
so
of
let
which
them go.
4 have gone already. And 2 were sent notices. Only 2 were sent notices.
But don't you think it's time they should sit down and have a dialogue? And
that is what the whole strike is about. I agree.
Strike is always the last resort. Strike is the last resort. Who strikes are in 2015?
No, but this is
2015. World has become so globalized. Who goes on a strike like this, yaar? Film students go on strike. Shameful, yaar.
Why should Mr. Agnihotri? No, because
I'll tell you why.
They went back on it.
No, I'll tell you why.
For 3 days.
Mr. Sharda,
they went back on the agreement.
Mr. Sharda, we are now on a critical point. I put Mr. Agnihotri on one side and the students on the other. The issue right now is the right to protest. Mr. Agnihotri says students who are in the Film Institute protesting, how can you even think about it? Why not?
No, I'm not saying...
No, why not?
Because filmmaking...
Why not?
Filmmaking is a profession of collaboration.
Every right to protest.
Do you know something? Filmmaking basically, fundamentally is a business of collaboration.
Politicians have right to protest.
We have protested, we have burned buses,
country
but
have
in
the right to
2015 you first have a dialogue.
The right to
Don't you evolve
Let
as a
the
society?
students, Mr. Madhik, sir, the students need to engage with them.
No, I want to talk to students. I have taken an open stand against everything. My wife has resigned from that. I'm supporting the cause. But if you're not going to have a dialogue, nothing is going to be sorted out.
Today,
keep screaming.
Listen to them.
And the government of India are trying to bulldoze the students of this institute. And we will protest. It is our right.
When was the last time you sat down and had a dialogue with the student, with the government?
Solve this problem. Please come down to the institute and have a conversation with us. We want to go back to class.
Okay. Can I come this Sunday? Can I come this Sunday?
Address the students in person. For the past 70 days, we've been asking you questions that have not been answered.
I am willing to mediate on your behalf. I am with you. But in 2015, filmmaking is a business of collaboration. You have to take hundreds of people together, listen to give and take. You are film students. You cannot behave like JNU students, yeah.
They are not.
Are you denying that you went
it's
by
not
agreement with Raju Hirani and
You just
asking somebody
Listen to them. You're not listening.
That's the reason why I started talking about the meeting last evening. If Arnab, can you give me time to talk about the meeting?
You know how much? You know how much that image has damaged you?
Mr. Agnihotri, it's not a one-way conversation.
The meeting was called for by the director in the presence of faculty and students. For 7 hours, we raised our questions with respect to this assessment. The director at no point in time was in a position to satisfactorily answer our
With the
questions.
director standing on a table.
Listen to him, sir.
No, sir, but the director standing on a table. Is that they are having...
1 minute. Mr. Agnihotri, please hold. No, don't. You want to have a parallel conversation and not let the students speak?
By making academic backstash for these decisions. He refused to answer any of the questions when we made it very obvious to him that you cannot bypass the academic council to make a decision.
No, Sambit is responding. 1 second, one at a time. I'll decide.
Just a second, sir. With all due respect, I want to respect.
No, 1 second, please.
Later academic council meetings very clearly allowed 2008 batch students to go ahead with their project.
Okay, Vikas.
The same academic council has allowed 2008 batch projects to go ahead.
So, Vikas,
right now we're in the middle of the strike.
Vikas, now you know what?
Is today the government suddenly waking up and saying, you pack your bags, go out of this hostel, we will do your assessment the way we want, without the consent of the faculty, without the consent of the students. We will decide what your future is. We will award you fake diplomas
Can I come
in the
in
name
or
of
no?
marks without even seeing your films. Is this how the FTI administration runs this institute? Without even watching our films, our final diploma films, they are agreeing to give us diploma certificates. Isn't this the biggest fraud that the government of India is willing to do?
Now, Vikas, Sambit is responding. Why not everyone on the stage? Mr. Pandit, a minute. Mr. Pandit.
Today,
Mr. Pandit, calm down.
That the government of India has given FTI
Now, Vikas,
to
keep
the
it brief.
underdogs.
Keep it brief. You want to have a conversation? If you want to have a conversation,
and let the David and Goliath fight go ahead. We want the Prime Minister of this country to come down to this campus and talk to us.
Okay, one second.
Demanding the Prime Minister of this country.
Vikas, now, please stop. Now, Sambit will respond. Vikas,
across the world to come down.
Vikas and Sachit. No, please. Vikas and Sachit. Remember one thing. Vikas and Sachit. What's my point here? I have said it very clearly right on top of the news hour tonight. Gherawing has been a form of protest that's been used by political parties, including the BJP. Sambit Patra would be aware the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad in 2006 gherawed the principal of the well-known Ramjas College in Delhi. You can go back and see what they did. When there was a gap year student who was denied admission. So, it's nothing unusual. Now Sambit will respond to you. And please, Vikas and Sachit, listen to him. Let's hear each other. Go ahead, Sambit.
Arnav, first and foremost, right to protest, right to gherav is a basic right in democracy and no one is denying that. But right to physically assault a person is not legally allowed in this country.
No,
and it's not
let him come. No, you have to let them complete.
Please, Arnav, this is not the way.
No, you know what?
Let the court decide.
He heard you. You can respond after he finishes.
If you are so truthful, you don't have to shout, Mr. Vikas. Listen, If you all are so truthful, why are you shying away from listening to me?
Where was
Only because of the fact that I had the facts with me. That's the reason as to why you don't want to listen to me.
Please try to understand.
If you are truthful, listen to my version as well. I'll only further expose you and thereafter answer me. Only because you don't want to listen to me.
Sachit and Vikas, I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you one thing. Sambit, 30 seconds, please. 1 second. I'll tell you what.
If you can't get your facts right,
Vikas,
I really have no reason to argue with you.
Vikas, a point has been
Why
made now.
Now
both of you,
assaulted the director?
all three panelists
Nobody
on the
has
screen now.
The director. It is completely untrue.
Mr. Ors, you and Sachit and Sambit Patra, my request to all three of you is for the next.
Some people of 2008 batch, some rowdy elements of 2008 batch who are used to freely staying in the hostel at the cost of the taxpayers' money are trying to raise a ruckus. This is the truth.
Okay.
If to 2008 batch was not provided infrastructure, why did they not take complaint to Rahul Gandhi? Because
you are running a government which believes in anarchy.
You know what?
I brought in an administration
Mr. Patra,
in anarchy. It is an anarchic decision to call an assessment when the strike is on. You people have created a mess in
FTI. Again speaking over each other.
Responsible for every single student here on campus. They were taken up by the police
Vikas and Sambit.
And then taken to court, and in the court very clearly said.
If you speak over each other, Vikas, stop. Vikas,
what are you talking about, sir?
Vikas and Sambit. First of all, we wasted 2 minutes right now. Now, Vikas, I'm requesting you. Vikas and Sambit and Sachit, I want you to have an open debate. I want you to counter each other's points. That's why we are on the News Hour debate tonight. All that I am requesting you, gentlemen, please think there is an audience out here. The News Hour is being broadcast among our audience over 100 million in 82 countries. They are watching this program right now. My request to you, gentlemen, is this. Do not speak over each other. Counter each other's points. Sambit makes an accusation against you. You make an accusation against Sambit. You hear each other and respond in nuggets. If you speak over each other, all the valuable points which you are making, 1 minute, Sambit, will be lost in the din. My question to you right now is, Sambit.
Arnab.
You have charged the students, including Vikas, who was arrested last night, with assault. Right? I heard that correctly. Now, that's an important charge. Very briefly, but pointedly, Sambit, prove the charge of assault, because a very serious charge you've made against the students. And then, hopefully, you'll respond to them as well. Mr. Patra, briefly, please.
Arnav, as I have pointed out right from the very beginning, I would not hold the fort or the press for the director or for the students. But as the director had a press conference today in which even you showed, he said that I was verbally tortured, I was kind of assaulted. That's the reason as to why I went for FIR. Let the court decide as to who is truthful. The director is truthful.
Okay, Sambit, now Sachit wants to respond to you. Now, as per our deal, Sachit will respond to you. Sachit, one of you, not both together. Sachit was saying something. Sachit.
Kedarnath Avati, the president of the FTI Teachers Association, has accused the FTI director, Prashant Patrabe, of leaking false information that led to a crackdown on the institute and to the arrest of 5 students. Let the law take its course.
No. The director is outright lying. He's lying in front of the media. He's lying in front of the students.
Okay, now his second counter. I allow a second counter. Second counter. Go ahead.
It was clearly seen by everyone that the director was never ever physically assaulted.
Second counter
from been framed against wrong charges. The police was reprimanded today by the court.
Please, can I?
Vikas and Sachit, second counter, Mr. Patra.
Pay attention to it, Mr. Samhit Patra.
Please, only if you allow me to speak.
By the way.
Okay, you said you won't speak over each other, Sambit.
This is a letter which I carry of the registrar of the college, one Mr. U.C. Budake. Bukhade or Budake, I'm able to read the name properly.
The one who's the witness.
Look at him.
The one who's
please allow me to complete.
Because we agreed not to speak over each other.
Just a second. We did not appoint this registrar. We did not appoint the director. Now Mr. Bukhade says that there is a threat to his life because the students,
Borke, sir, get his name right.
In fact, years together, have been trying to threaten him. What's in a name? This is the letter that I am carrying. His name is Budake. I believe that's what is written over here. But the registrar of your college says before, in fact, I mean, before we came into the picture or Mr. Chauhan became the chairman. He says that his life is under threat from the students. Why every director, every chairman has to run away from your college? Why 36 strikes in
Mr. Patra,
and I have the chronology.
There is enough evidence.
Mr. Patra, now conclude your point, Mr. Patra. Students responding.
He's not been a registrar of an educational institution ever in his life. He's been a person who's working for the Indian Railways so far.
Everyone is wrong and you are right.
Of how
Mr. Mahesh Bhatt was wrong. Mr. Dilip Kumar was wrong. Mr. Shyam Benegal was wrong. Mr. Bodake was wrong. Mr. Chauhan is wrong.
Have horror stories to tell you about Mr. Bodke.
Only the 2008, only 6 students of 2008 batter right.
There is a written complaint against Mr. UC Bodke by the staff of FTII for using SC/ST staff members as personal laborers in his house. They've made sweepers and fourth-class employees of this institute work in his house.
So why did not the law act against him? What was the Congress government in Maharashtra doing all these years?
The letter has gone to the SC/ST committee. We are awaiting a response. There is an inquiry happening.
So everyone in this world is wrong.
Committee and find out.
Dilip Kumar, the well-known actor of this country, in fact, castigated the students, saying that the students do not know behavior, saying that the students do not know how to respect their gurus. Do you know all of this? Is
the
what
health of
said by
institute.
Okay, 1 second again.
Outright using people in the staff for his own personal cause. Is this the way the staff of the institute behaves?
Mr. Vikas, you have a problem with everyone.
Ashok Pandit,
Vikas, you have a problem with everyone. You are the only intelligent person and you are only the right person. I think if the institute is not according to you, you should resign. You should leave the institute and let the institute run the way it wants to. You are abusing and accusing everyone except for yourself. Why don't you leave the institute? And since how long are you in the institute? Since how long are you in the institute? You have held the institute director for ransom for more than 7 hours.
Ashok Pandit.
Listen to people. Listen to people. Listen to people, Mr. Vikas. You have no right. Allow others to talk. Allow others to talk, Mr. Vikas. You are not the only person. You have been accusing people. You have been accusing people of wrong.
Okay, I'm coming to the panel in the studio, please. 1 minute. Okay, Ashok Pandit.
Continue to
Ashok Pandit. Ashok Pandit. Mr. Pandit and the students, please. I have a request. I have a request. I have a request.
He said that Mr. Gajendra Chauhan is the wrong choice. We all said that, but you politicized the issue. You went ahead of Gajendra Chauhan's issue, and
you have politicized the issue by appointing Gajendra Chauhan, who has absolutely no credentials beyond his BJP affiliation. You started the politics. You do the politics all the time, and you don't expect the world to do its politics. The world will do its politics to counter your politics. Your politics is outright disgusting. It's fascist. It's autocratic. It's anarchic. You are running this institute like the way you are running this country.
A question comes here.
Is running the institute in
all right.
and you as a filmmaker
can you please pull back, gentlemen?
Are defending the Prime Minister and the people who are running this country in complete anarchic manner.
Ashok Pandit.
Sir, what are you talking?
Ashok Pandit.
You are beaten up.
Politics.
Pondicherry University students are beaten
Ashok
up by the
Pandit. Ashok Pandit
and staff members and faculty members were beaten up.
All right, gentlemen, pull back now. Pull back. Pull back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull back right now. Pull back. Time out. Time out. Now, come on, Ashok Pandit. 1 second. 1 second. I've been hearing this. I now want to go to a fundamental issue. Are we not aware of this? Ashok Pandit, just calm down for a minute. What is going on here? This will be going on for well over a month now. Well over a month, almost a month and a half. What is going on now? It's getting very, very ugly.
More than 2 months.
I am aware, Mr. Urs, but it can't go on forever. You have a 69-day strike on campus. My question is simple. Is this or is this not about a person called Gajendra Chauhan? Hansal Mehta, please, back to the debate. I'll come to you, gentlemen. I'll come to you.
Let him answer our questions. That is the only way to solve this matter, because nobody in this country is holding themselves accountable to solve this matter. Neither is Mr. Arun Jaitley coming here, nor is Mr. Rajyavardhan Singh Rathod coming here, nor are members
you behave yourself first.
Okay, Sambit Patra countering you. Sambit was with the student.
I want some uninterrupted time to keep the facts in front of you.
1 second.
Vikas, should be known.
Vikas, listen.
His cabinet and he.
Vikas,
should be known to the country. They had a discussion with the INB Minister, Mr. Arun Jaitley, for 55 long minutes. They came to a conclusion, but they did not respect it. In fact, two prominent directors of the country also said that they would intervene in the matter. They intervened in the matter. There were talks going on. Yet the students do not want to listen to it.
Please come and help us. Please come and save this institute.
Who want to stay in the hostel, he want to use the subsidy of 12 lakh rupees per month. The public
there are 250 students who are on strike. 250 students stay in the hostel. All 250 students who are staying in the hostel will be thrown out.
Again, you're speaking over each other.
Who will take responsibility for it? We are living. Who will take responsibility for it?
Again, you are speaking over each other.
Hostel are living in fear of the police coming in late in the night and beating us up. Who will take responsibility for that?
To the students,
Mr. Pandit, I can well know what you are doing to the director as well.
I think this is no way.
It is very easy for you to sit in studios, AC studios, and debate about this when we are being questioned by the police, beaten by the police, and taken to police judicial custody.
Dear friend, just
are you
simple point. Revolutionaries,
10 years you are in the hostel. This is the best hostel of this country. Even IIT students and IIM students do not get those facilities, remember. And you say as if the government has not provided you anything. And if 2008 batch was not provided with infrastructure, you should have asked this question to Rahul Gandhi when he was in your campus. Why were you playing politics with him then?
You are time and again repeating yourself with the 2008 batch.
This appears to me.
You have said that the 2008 batch did not receive the infrastructure. Who is responsible for that?
Only 2008 batch. The dean has
the whole thing is about 2008 batch.
Just one simple point.
The whole thing is about 2008 batch. A few handful of 2008 batch.
The mess has been created by the administration.
My dear friend, revolutionists don't cry.
The dean of
I have fought emergency as thrown off college. I didn't become victim.
What are you?
They don't stop speaking.
What are you in an educational institution?
They don't stop
now, Mr. Vikas Source and Sachin, Vikas Source and Sachin,
you talk like kings.
There are other people in the studio, Vikas, who also want to make their point here. I'd like to go to Hansal first. I'll open up the debate here because this has now gone on indefinitely. There has been no solution. It's actually getting much worse than it was a few days back. And the introduction of the political parties into the debate hasn't quite helped. At least that's the sense I'm getting. Hansal wanted to come in.
My only issue is that the debate is getting more and more shrill. The one who speaks the loudest believes that he's right. The problem is that both parties, instead of talking, they're screaming at each other. And this is the general mood of this whole debate. It's no longer a discourse, it's no longer a debate. The protest, the real issues behind the protest.
What is the real issue? What is the real issue in your view? What is the real issue?
The issue began with the appointment of 5 people to the governing council that did not have the requisite credentials to be on that governing council. I mean, it could be resolved easily. I mean, take some time out. The government can take some time out. They've made it an ego battle. You have an ego with students. Take some time out. Have an interim committee. Let it be headed by somebody like Shyam Benegal, who has been so logical in his defense of the government's choice. Let it be headed by him. Spend some time, understand the issues.
Are both sides open to that, Hansal? Are both sides open to that? Because it appears to me, and to an extent I agree with you, we must acknowledge, and this point will not be lost on Sambit Patra either, that this issue on the campus is not because of the audit of students' projects from 2008. It is about the appointment of Gajendra Chauhan. The trigger for the Gherao day before night may have been that specific issue. But the moot issue is the appointment of Gajendra Chauhan. It is the students who raked up the question of Chauhan's credentials for the job. It is the students who spoke about his political affiliations. It is the students who chose to enlist the support of other political parties, including that of Rahul Gandhi, which Sambit refers to the opposition of Gajendra Chauhan. It is the students who met the president in regard to this issue earlier this month. What happened on Monday, Sambit, is a fallout of a decision that was taken in the aftermath of the crisis. But what was the crisis triggered by? It was triggered by Gajendra Chauhan. In here, we are not even discussing the issue of Gajendra Chauhan.
Should decide who is the director.
No.
Will they decide what syllabus will be?
I believe that. Again. Okay, Vivek Agnihotri and then.
He has asked me, let me answer it.
The 2008 issue is an example.
Okay.
You asked me
Hansal.
Down on administration.
Hansal is
one thing. The response of the government to this entire protest has been that of a bully rather than that of a parent.
That's no. Vivek Agnihotri. Vivek.
Sambit, 1 second.
Let everyone speak. We have the time. Vivek is making his point, then Sambit will come in.
I will talk to students.
No, Vivek.
I know for sure when this problem came of Gajendra Chauhan,
yes,
undisputedly, every single person on the street was with you. Everybody knew he was incompetent. There came a time when 3 very prominent people, Janu Barua, Pallavi Joshi and Santosh Tivan, they resigned. Government wanted to change Gajendra Chauhan. I am telling you for a fact. There came a moment when they were going to change. But then, yes, it was a fact. But then Yogendra Yadav, Rahul Gandhi, Arvind Kejriwal came into the picture. It became a political fight.
Okay, one second.
Sir, 1 second, last thing. Sir, 1 second, last thing.
Vinay Shukla, let me limited time. Vinay Shukla.
One thing I have to say. I want to show a picture. I just want to show.
No, Vinay Shukla.
Vivek, that happened after 30-40 days of a strike.
So what?
You see,
but
during this
was
fight,
happening.
No, watch. Priyanka.
A time ahead.
Okay, no, watch. Priyanka Chaturvedi and then Sambit will come to you. Priyanka hasn't spoken much. Priyanka. Yes, Priyanka.
No, all I'd like to remind Vivek is, please understand that Gajendra Chauhan is a political appointee. If the students had been asking for the information broadcasting ministry for some time, and
who made a system of political appointments?
Okay, don't argue.
Be a culmination. Please understand. And the other thing I'd like to talk, it's very interesting that Sambit Patra talks about right to protest. I would like to ask Sambit Patra, what did you all do when you all had ex-army jawans peacefully protesting outside Jantar Mantar? Look at your high-handed behavior. What did you all do with Teesta Setalvad?
We are not discussing.
We are not discussing Teesta, by the way.
Okay. Your opinion, you all have been trying to
this is students. No, watch. This is what.
And you expect absolutely zero protest.
I will talk to students for a second.
Culmination of what you have been doing.
You know, Priyanka, stay limited to the issue. Stay true to the issue. Sambit Patra. Yes, Sambit Patra.
I'll just take 20. See.
Okay. Listen, Hansal. He's responding to your point.
Just a second. I was not interrupting. Yes. Arnav, you rightly pointed out 69-day strike, and you say that it was.
No, if Sambit has an answer on the issue, I'd be grateful.
Please, Priyanka, let me complete. If you say that 69-day strike because of Gajendra Chauhan. No, 1974.
No, please talk to Mr. Anupam Kher, talk to Shatrughan Sinha from your own party.
Priyanka,
even speak to Ms. Kiran Kher and get
Priyanka, one second.
Vivek for that matter.
Priyanka is responding to a point made earlier. Yeah.
1974, 1 month strike, Gajendra Chauhan was not there. 1978,
no, he's got enough and ample chance to give a response to something like this.
Acting course had to be closed down. 84, 1 month again, academic issues regarding curriculum. 1991, 100 days against the course change. 1996, 1 month. Proposed course structure. 1997, 1 month hunger strike. Proposed course structure. 2000, 45 days. 2001, 1 week plus. Strike during Shyam Benegal. Gherao during Mahesh Bhatt. Gherao during Gopaladur Krishnan. Dilip Kumar, none other than the veteran actor Dilip Kumar castigating them. Now, what are you talking about? Where was Gajendra Chauhan all these years? And as far as the Congress is concerned,
how many students were arrested?
If you politicize this, the incompetence of Rahul Gandhi is going to be exposed, Priyanka.
Or will not allow their right to protest.
Priyanka Chaturvedi, what I'm going to do now.
Rahul Gandhi.
Okay, 1 second. Priyanka and Sambit, I want to say something. Priyanka and Sambit. It is now, gentlemen. Please, ladies and gentlemen, it's 55 minutes past 9. 3,700 tweets on this subject. Top trending subject in the country tonight at this moment is the FTI Mahabharat. More and more viewers are tuning in. I'm getting calls, but I'm not open to calls tonight. So what I'm going to do with the permission of everyone, including Priyanka and Sambit Patra and the students, is that I'm going to extend this debate by 10 more minutes because I think we are now coming to the core issue. And the core issue, which I will pick up later, is the issue of Gajendra Chauhan. Because the question is, can a man whose claim to fame is having acted in a series of B-grade movies, now he becomes the chairman of FTI, where does that issue go? I'll pick up that issue, with your permission, a short break, and we are back on this debate. In the break, some of our panelists were saying, including Ratan Chadha, that this is not about FTI alone. This has become bigger. And some panelists are saying, including Ratan Chadha, that there are other forces behind it, suggesting that there's politics behind it, etc., that there is some conspiracy here to defame the government. Make your point, please. Is this just a kind of a wildcard entry that you've thrown into the debate, or do you have something to back it? Is it your guess? What are you doing, Ratan Chadha? No, otherwise you prove it, because this has been going around in circles. Go ahead.
If you look at any development these days, whenever something good happens, there is always a controversy which is covered by media very hugely, very smallest points are covered. So whatever Modi does becomes a side issue, whatever negative happens becomes the main issue for any debate. Now, FTA issue was when there was agreement with Raju Hirani and Vidhu Vinod Chopra with ministry at the back. Why did the students go back? Were they misguided not to agree?
What are you suggesting? I
am saying, why did they go back? They had come to an agreement through very eminent people.
Okay.
Why did they go back?
Okay, answer
did they want to keep the fight on? Were they misguided to keep the fight on?
What do you mean misguided by whom? Be explicit. This is the news.
They
don't have to pull your punches. Yeah.
I am saying that they sat together for the discussion. They had an agreement to iron out. They fought in between for 3 days with themselves. They came back. They went back on the agreement.
Getting an answer. Ratan Chadha, the students answering you. Go ahead.
Arnab, I need to answer.
Students are just shouting. They don't even speak.
Students answering you, sir.
And stop behaving, please. Stop behaving like
let them answer you, sir. They also, please, let's not patronize anyone, including the students. Go ahead, please. Yeah. Answer, please.
It's very amusing.
Yeah.
When,
can I go ahead, Arnab?
When Anupam Kher speaks about it, when, Shatrughan Sinha speaks about it.
Okay, the students are responding here to the conspiracy theory. Yes, please.
Yes. Yeah. On the 27th of July, Mr. Vidhu Vinod Chopra and Mr. Rajkumar Hirani invited me and Harishankar Nachimuthu to have an informal interaction with Mr. Rajyavardhan Singh Rathod.
Okay.
There was an informal interaction arranged for in Delhi. Mr. Rathod proposed a solution.
Which was?
That solution was spelled out in words in a discussion over tea, where they said that, look, Gajendra Chauhan will not be removed, but we will remove 3 members of the FTI society, replace them with 3 members of your choice.
Right.
3 members of the FTI society who have resigned will not be taken back.
Okay.
And they said, we will give you a vice chairman of your choice.
Okay. Did you agree?
This was a proposal that was put forward to Mr. Rajkumar Hirani and Vidhu Vinod Chopra. After we, in the meeting, were called in after their interaction with Mr. Chopra and Hirani, both of us were called in and we were briefed of this solution. We said, sir, we are not in official capacity representing the Students' Association here. This is a solution that you have proposed. We will take it back to the students in an informal way and talk to them.
So you were in back channel. So you were
to the students.
So you were in back channel.
Spoke at length, and they said very clearly, we do not agree to any back channel communication with the ministry because the ministry is not officially communicating to us. I sent a letter to the ministry asking for a clarification. Is this what you said? Because nothing that day was given in black and white. We were given nothing in writing. We were not even officially invited as student association representatives. This was an informal chat, and at the end of the discussion, Mr. Rathod said that do not go to the media regarding this. But the very next day, Mr. Rathod goes to the media, talks about this.
I come to the point.
No, so there were so there was a back channel conversation which was going on, which is interesting. Because I haven't heard
the students very clearly said, we do not want to have any back channel interaction. We want an official interaction to happen with the ministry. That has not yet happened.
Sir, conference don't take place.
August, the joint secretary called me and Harishankar Nachimuthu. We went on an official invitation by the Joint Secretary on the 6th of August. We put our demands. The demands were very clear. The demands that were put forward in front of Arun Jaitley on the 3rd of July. to dissolve the FTI society and to form a committee which looks into a transparent process.
I have a solution.
No, watch. No.
Guidelines
Let's
to frame FTI society.
Is this version correct, Mr. Patra?
In official meeting that this is not agreeable.
No, is this version correct? And if it is, one second, Mr. Now listen, Vikas, I think you need to just hold for a minute. Vikas, see,
they hope that the issue will get resolved. The proposal that the ministry gave was not accepted by the students.
Okay, so
never accepted any back channel.
So Vikas, there was a conversation.
Any back channel communication that was sent to them.
Vikas, hear it. From what you've said, you yourself are saying there's a back channel conversation. This is an interesting admission, an interesting revelation by you on the program. If it is true, then it's important. And if it is true also, it signals a flexibility on part of the government to come across to your position, though not entirely so. This is an interesting revelation. I take it now. Is this version correct? And was this back channel conversation in any way an admission of the government that there may have been mistakes in the appointment of members to the key positions of the FTII? Sambit Patra's turn to respond. Very important. Mr. Patra.
Arnab, it is quite obvious.
Mr. Patra's turn to respond to you, sir.
Will he please stop? Yes. Arnab, first and foremost, as a party spokesperson, I'm not supposed to be privy to any kind of talks or back-channel talks, whatever they're talking about, since the student union leaders themselves have put that there were constant talks between them and the minister. It only proposes, as you rightly pointed out, that the government
is democratically
communication
between the minister
and just a minute, just important. 1 second. Let him complete.
And Rajkumar Hirani, these were not official communication between Mr.
Let him complete. We are on a very critical point in the debate. Let him complete. Let Sambit complete. Yeah, very important point in the debate. Go ahead. Yeah.
See, the government is always for talks. On all issues, the government would like to talk, and I'm aware of the fact that Mr. Arun Jaitley had talks with the students for approximately 55 minutes. And as was rightly pointed out by Ratan Sardar, two eminent directors from the film industry were sent to look into this whole issue. Were sent as emissaries to look into this whole issue. It was a newspaper item also. The Times of India had the whole news about these two eminent directors going out and preaching to the students. All I want, just a second, sir. What language are you using?
If the government cannot officially communicate to us,
what is wrong with negotiation? You spend 55 minutes with INB minister. You spend time with Mr. Rathod, and you say that you're not talking.
Mr.
Arnab, can I please complete? Arnab, right from the very beginning, when the institute was established, the students, in fact, have been negotiating as far as the chairman and directors are concerned. And recently we have seen, as I pointed out, even if with Shyam Benegal, even if with Mr. Mahesh Bhatt, they have opposed almost everyone. So are they here for studying? Are they here for completing their projects? Or only continuously thinking about who should their directors be? Who should their governing council members be? Now they are talking about the governing council members.
Okay, gentlemen, 3 minutes on the debate. Is this war?
You can protest, you can raise concerns, but the way you do it is what is very important.
How are you comparing the interactions that the chairman with an interaction that is happening right now?
No, limited time. You know, I have a point to raise on this side of the table, please. Just hear me. I have one simple point. Is this a war? And one thing which goes on both sides, which I feel I sense, Mr. Patra, Mr. Urs, all of you, I sense on the opposing sides of the table, I sense one word. I sense distrust and suspicion.
Absolutely.
There is distrust today and suspicion on both sides.
They don't want to disclose their talks.
Am I correct or incorrect in that?
I second, Arnab, your opinion. There is a break of trust and there is a breach of trust between the government, its administration.
You are the cause of break of trust.
Okay, Sambit, is there distrust? I'm coming to you. You'll have the last
word. Between the students and the government. Between the students and the government.
This problem.
They forget the students.
Am I wrong in this assessment that there is distrust on both sides, suspicion on both sides? Mr. Patra, am I wrong?
Yes.
I don't agree.
Distrust and suspicion.
Can I put something rightly over here? The government respects the FTII. The government wants the FTII to march ahead. And that's the reason why the corpus of fund allocated in 2014-15 debates. Remember one thing, just a few handful of students cannot hold such an important institute as FTII to ransom. And that is a matter of concern.
There are two. That's the key point. It's an important institute and the students are also important. One point. Hansal
cannot hold the institute to ransom.
Hansal, the word was suspicion and distrust. Why in our country today have things got to come to this pass? Why is there so much distrust and suspicion on both sides? And who will benefit?
Who met the ministers?
Well, they have told you they met the ministers.
They admitted now.
No, Hansal, you can respond to him.
After disclosed, they admitted.
No, I don't think.
Not speaking.
Hansal.
They were saying they never met any minister.
See, unfortunately, you, if you have a voice, the first response is to shut you down, to make you look like somebody that does not deserve to have a voice. If your voice is opposite of what the government stand is. And this protest is a symbol of this attempt to constantly trample upon your fundamental rights.
Right? Fundamental right to create a board of directors, fundamental right to create syllabus as a student. Fundamental right to protest. But they are asking you to, they fight for syllabus, they fight for board of director, they fight for director, they don't fight for their studies.
Last word. 1 minute left. Education is 60 seconds left. I'm closing after 60 seconds. One last word.
Ratan Sharda ji, let us understand that the basic reason is that the students feared that their voice, their freedom of expression would be choked.
They have not even tried.
No.
What suspicion? On what ground for this?
I will tell you, because it was a because it was a political appointee.
There is no political appointee in the history of Indian government.
But I will tell you, it has never happened.
Okay, gentlemen. Gentlemen,
just a minute.
I'm running short.
It has never.
Let us not demean appointments. Let us demean government or any other thought.
So otherwise, sir, why did the government itself was thinking of changing the appointee if it was not a mistake?
But that was to satisfy the students.
On all points, I think everyone's presented their point of view. But if anyone tells me today that politics on campus is abhorrent and unacceptable, then all the important leaders in our country are from all states of the country. Large parts of them have emerged from student politics. So campuses and politics are not. No. Watch it. Just can I make a campuses and politics are not
to choose your syllabus.
Inversely proportional.
That is not politics, Arnab.
If
you want to choose your own syllabus, what you have to study and what you don't have to study. That is not politics.
To all my esteemed panelists tonight, I think you've all presented your points of view with conviction and, if I may observe, with a lot of anger. I said tonight that the basic issue is that of suspicion and mistrust. Let's see where this goes.
Students to come together and form a solution, please. We need to do this now.
Can I say something to students?
I humbly request to you,
Mr. Agnihotri.
Can I say something to students? One thing.
The faculty and the students have to come together to resolve this issue. We are students and we want to go back.
Okay.
As simple as that.
5,000 plus tweets on the subject. India's talking about the FTI Mahabharat. I do believe even at this stage that a bridge can be built, a solution can be found. I thank you all very much for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.